The Vesper Martini, 007's personal invention in Casino Royale. 3 ingredients shaken hard and dangerously drinkable. Only 3 players make a Vesper, gin, vodka, and Lillet Blanc to finish. Start with 3 ounces of gin. Gordon's is what Bond orders. Dry, assertive, unmistakably British. Tanqueray or Bombay Sapphire are excellent modern substitutes. Add 1 ounce of vodka. Bond specified a grain vodka. Kettle One, Absolute Elix, or Stolichnaya all deliver the clean neutral cut this drink needs. Finally, a ½ ounce of Lillet Blanc. In the novel, Bond called for Quina Lillet, long discontinued. Lillet Blanc is the modern stand-in, with Cocchi Americano as a drier alternative. Shake. Don't stir, with plenty of ice until it's ice cold. Strain into a deep champagne goblet and garnish with a long, thin slice of lemon peel. I think I'll call it a Vesper, because once you've tasted it, that's all you want. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.